Hey guys, Evan with Bluebird Exteriors here today, and I'm going to show you our water-fed pole method of cleaning windows. So come along with me for just a minute and I'll explain how we do this. Let me turn this around for you. All right, so this is not the system, the setup exactly the way we normally have it, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. So we have some water coming out of the house here into our filters. So what this does is it takes our tap water, filters it, and what's coming out the end of here is 100% pure water. So what that allows us to do is clean windows using the water and our water-fed pole right here with spot-free results. So this pole is made out of carbon fiber, specialized for this. We're able to go up to 4 stories with this, so we can get really hard to reach windows safely from the ground with spot-free results using this method. So water's pumped up to the top of the brush, and you'll see I'll demonstrate real quick how we clean these windows. Alright, so I'm here with the water-fed pole. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get these windows wet. Then we're going to start scrubbing. What we're doing is we're agitating the dirt that's on the window so that when we release the water, it runs off of the glass. So there you have it. This is our water-fed pole system, how we're able to get spot-free results in hard-to-reach places safely from the ground. I'm Evan with Bluebird Exteriors. If you're interested in getting a quote, 423-657-0880 or bluebirdexteriorsllc.com. Have a great day.